My name is Liberty. I'm here at CrossFit Madtown and I'm going to show you some of my favorite pistol progressions. First one, good place to get started. It's one of the easiest ones. Is just a pistol negative to a box, the downward portion. Next, you can add in the concentric part, the upward part. As you come back up, shift your center of gravity over your foot, moving your chest forward, and come back up. You're reaching forward on the way down. The next one is full range of motion pistols using rings for assistance. Use 2 rings or 1 ring. I usually go opposite hand to whatever foot I'm on. I like using rings or like a Jungle Gym XT, but if you don't have them, you can use a squat rack, a door frame, you can hold partner's hands. Anything to give you assistance, kind of help counterbalance